morning, MCNS friends. This morning I thought we would talk about rain and the water cycle, being that it's a rainy day. So I have a little diagram here that I'd like you to look at. Okay, down here is the ground, there is oceans, there are lakes, and what happens is the sun heats up the ground and the oceans and the lakes, and little droplets of water turn into water vapor, and that is a gas, and it rises up into the sky. That process is called evaporation. Can you say that word with me? Evaporation. Once the water gets up into the sky, it cools down and it changes back into water droplets. This process is called condensation. Let's hear you say that word, condensation. Once these water droplets are back in the sky, clouds form with all little water droplets in it. And when the clouds get too much water and they cannot hold all the droplets that are bouncing around inside them, gravity pulls down the water droplets, and that's how we get rain. So let's do a short experiment so we can actually visualize this. In this jar, I have some water. And this I am going to make, this is shaving cream, and I'm going to make a big cloud on top of this water. Okay, so now what's going to happen is we're going to have all different water droplets drop, and they're in these clouds. And eventually, what do you think is going to happen? Can anyone see anything happening? The clouds are getting heavy, heavy, heavy with water droplets. I think I'm going to use a new color here. Unfortunately, I do not have too much of this. Let's try this one. And now you can see the rain is falling, and that's how it rains. The clouds get full of water droplets. They can't hold the water droplets, and the water falls down to the ground. And the whole cycle repeats itself.